Hi, I'm Rochelle from Rockin' Mommies. I'm going to show you today how to make the Paleo Green smoothie from Whole Foods. It's basically a copycat recipe. I just called them up and I said, what's in your smoothie? I don't want to go to the store. I had all the ingredients except for one, almond butter, so I went to Sprouts because it's right across the street. But that's it. So it's really simple to make. And it's delicious, and I don't have to leave, and it's cheaper and everything. So I hope you enjoy. So first of all, let's get our blender and the container. So I've washed it all out and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the 1 cup of coconut milk. This is the one that I use. I like Pacific Foods because I use their bone broth. So I really like their coconut milk also, and it's unsweetened. So be sure you get unsweetened so you don't get the added sugars. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 1 cup. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. It's pretty thick. Okay. Okay, and then next up, I'm going to be adding baby spinach and baby kale mix. You can buy these separately and add, a big handful of each in. You can buy the mixed ones. It's cheaper to buy the mixed ones and then just add, but I use this stuff so much anyway, it kind of doesn't, it's like I could buy 2 and they'd be gone. So I'm just gonna put in like this much. It's like a big handful. Okay, and I stuff that down in there. Okay, and then we also need 1 tablespoon of almond butter. I like almond butter and it adds a little bit of sweetness to it naturally, so I add like a little bit more than the 1 tablespoon. Did I say 1 teaspoon or did I say 1 tablespoon? So I just got this, so let me open that. And then I'm going to take, like dig in there. Because all the oil's always settled on the top, so just dig in there and get 1 like heaping tablespoon. And see, I add a little extra, so okay, and then I need my frozen pineapple and frozen banana. Now I cut this up ahead of time the other night and I froze it, and then I didn't have time to do this video, so it was frozen a few days ago. This is like a whole pineapple, but I used the rest of an old pineapple that I had and cut it up and froze it. So be sure to cut it up first and then just pop them in little bags like this and freeze them. Okay, so I put in like 4 big chunks. I'm going to leave this behind and see how it is. And then I'm going to add the pineapple. It smells so good. It's like a good little treat you could have for the kids, where they just suck on it. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to see how that is after I stir it or blend it. Okay, so I think I have everything. And then I add brain octane oil. You don't have to. This is sort of like an additional thing. So anyway, I'll go ahead and add that. These are like little to-go packets that I need scissors. Oh. These are little to-go packets that they sell it in. I just ran out of mine and I can't afford to get a new one right now. So I'm just using the little to-go ones that I already had. Okay, so I think that's everything. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this and see how the thickness is and then judge from there. There we go. It's caught the fruit. There we go. You can feel that it's blending right. Okay. Oh, good. Yay. It's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to add ice. It's really thick. I don't know if you can see this, but see how thick this is? It's really thick, but see when I add the ice, it'll thin it out, but it won't thin it out too much. So that's perfect. it's that familiar Paleo Green Whole Foods smell. I need to get one of those like plastic containers that they sell it in and like just pretend it's like straight from there. Write my name on it. Okay. All right, so let me add the ice. I'm gonna get the ice. So I'm gonna go ahead and add like these are really small, 4, 5. I'm gonna do 6 because they're really little. Here we go. Put this here. All right, so that's it. That's the Paleo Green smoothie from Whole Foods. So anyway, cheers. All right, that's it for now. Stay healthy, everybody, and keep indoors, wash your hands, you know the whole deal. And I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. Yay! Enjoy.